Hello viewers, welcome again. Today I will show you how to remove skin blemishes like dark spot, red spot and white marks from the skin. I know many of you have stuck in the situation where you don't find any way out, that is to remove the spots from the skin. But don't worry, today I will discuss how to do this in a simple way. Look at this picture. Undoubtedly, she is a very beautiful model. Look at her cheeks. It has lots of black spots, dark spot and some white patches on the skin. Today we will remove them with the help of a simple tool called spot healing tool and patch tool. And believe me, you will find it a way easier than you think. Now I have selected spot healing tool and zoom the area where you want to remove the spot. Tap as gently as possible because spot healing brush when not used properly give very bad result. One more thing, please do not drag the mouse when you have selected the spot healing brush because it produces uneven skin tone. I think now it's fine. One more. Looking for more patches. Yes. Now it seems every spot has removed now. Now I am going to compare the original image versus edited image. Now look at the difference. There is a lots of difference between original versus edited image. I think this video would be helpful for you. So if you enjoyed the video then please like and share and please subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any future notification from the channel. Thanks a lot guys.